This is how Italy's Deputy Prime Minister Matteo Salvini greeted the news, saying the European Court of Human Rights has dismissed Sea-Watch's appeal, saying here, confirming the choice of order, common sense and legality, going on to say fewer departures, fewer landings. This talking about the overall picture in the Mediterranean, saying it is his policy, his hardline policy, to not accepting these ships, which is driving down the number of people trying to cross. Obviously, that is his stance, very controversial stance, and particularly controversial when we have a vessel like Sea-Watch 3. Have a look at this. It's been stranded off of Italian waters, there's Lampedusa there, for 13, going into 14 days. It's been stuck there because Italy has refused to accept the migrants. This vessel, on June the 12th, rescued 53 people off the coast of Libya in international waters, but as part of what's called the Libyan Search and Rescue Region. Now, of the 53 people, 11 have since been evacuated to Italy because of emergency medical situations or because they are vulnerable people. That left 42 people aboard the vessel, and it's those 42 people who Sea-Watch 3 wanted the Italian authorities to accept. So they went to the European Court of Human Rights, hoping to effectively legally force the Italians to accept these migrants. The court, though, when the ruling came down, decided against Sea-Watch. This is what they said. They said there were no exceptionally serious and urgent reasons justifying the application of these urgent measures. Now, what does this mean? Well, it means that while the situation is constantly being reviewed, 42 people are still stranded with nowhere to go, it would seem, off of Italian waters. They are in international waters. The charity Sea-Watch 3, who we've been speaking to regularly here in the Cube, as well as the authorities, it seems at the moment it's unclear what is going to happen. This, though, part of a much wider debate about how Europe, how governments and how NGOs are going to operate at a time when, in the summer, we know migrant departures tend to rise.